That's an old Winnebago Chieftain. That thing's probably about 38 foot long.
Really?
Yeah.
You good?
I like it. The old Chieftain.
Passing us up. We're not fans of long drive days. Preferably, our longest drive is about 4 hours. We like finding places to stay between our destinations, typically harvest host locations and small local campgrounds. Join us today as we visit one of those local campgrounds for an overnight stay in Sevier, Utah, on our way to Moab to visit Arches National Park.
So we're here at Sevier, Utah, at Sevier River RV Resort Campground. Don't remember the exact name, sorry. I'll put it in the description below, but we're stopping here overnight. We left Zion and we're on our way over to Arches, and this was just a nice place to stop. Beautiful so far. Nothing fancy, all gravel. Campground's all gravel in there, but it's full hookup, and we got a pull-through site, and they're right on this river. Some hills over there. You want to climb them hills?
No.
No.
No, thank you. We called it a smoke tree. I don't know.
It smells fantastic.
Smells, yeah. That's a nice smell.
Some in the sun over here. A little bit better lighting. Where's the chickens? Those are, oh yeah. Big old turkey there. What you doing there? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. She's showing off there, huh? Hey, good morning. Well, we had a fantastic stay here at Sevier River RV Resort in Sevier, Utah. Fantastic place. We stayed just a night, but if you got something to do here, there's a lot of off-roading activities around here. This is a really nice place to stay. Nothing fancy, full hookups along a nice, I think it's the Sevier River. And the people here are the best. Some of the nicest people I've ever met. Danny, the owner, fantastic guy. Don't pass up on Sevier River RV Resort.
Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide. God's love surrounding us worldwide. Surrounding us worldwide.